Hello everyone, today we will reveal the nature of creation, how does matter become matter, and why doesn't it remain an immaterial substance as we saw it is in the first episode. Let's start. Let's go with order. We said matter is a material at an absolutely small scale. But why doesn't it stay a material even in large scales? Well, some actually does. As we've seen, immaterial matter is just a mathematical perturbation in space-time. It is best described as a wave, and there exist plenty of wave functions in reality. The thing is, why some of them do not stay waves and become matter? Quantum physics can help again here. We will take a look at the double-slit experiment. In this experiment, electrons are fired through a double slit, and it was observed that they form a wave-like pattern when they are not measured, and a particle-like pattern when they are measured. That's exactly what we were looking for. There are plenty of studies around this experiment, so I won't talk long about it. But you must notice that the transformation from an immaterial wave of mathematical probabilities into actual particles occurs when an electron is measured. It has also been noticed that the observer must be conscious. In other words, according to quantum physics, for some reason, intellect creates matter. Here's an interesting fact. In the experiment, when the electron is a wave, it passes through both slits simultaneously. This cannot happen logically, as the electron would occupy two places at the same time. However, material objects cannot be in two places at the same time because of form. The form of an object contains all information about that object, including location. If the electron has no definite location, then it has no form. In fact, everything that is material has a form, and the electron is not material. Therefore it is possible that it is a formless substance. Now, if you remember, form is closely related to intellect, and we have seen with the experiment that form emerges only when the substance is observed by a conscious observer. Intellect creates form. And what does create form? Yes, the cause. Therefore the generation of the form from the cause is a direct act of the intellect. This gives a hint on how the universe began. According to our current understanding, we know the universe began as a singularity, an infinitely small point, and then space began expanding further and further, releasing more and more matter. But there is a problem. How could there be matter if there were no humans? We know there must be a conscious observer in order to spark the Big Bang, but no human was around. Actually, nothing at all was around. This means that, in order for the universe to exist, there had to be a conscious observer in the beginning. If there was no conscious observer, then form wouldn't have existed, and matter wouldn't have existed as well. However, you have to remember that the Big Bang started alongside time and space. Existence is beyond time and space, and therefore it wasn't affected by the Big Bang. Existence is the only thing that wasn't created by the Big Bang, and this means that the only conscious observer that there could be was existence. We can now draw a clear picture of the beginning. In the beginning was the form, and the form was with existence, and the form was existence. It was with existence in the beginning. Through the form all things were made. Without it nothing was made that has been made. This is all for today. In the following episodes we will talk about other aspects and qualities of matter. See you next time. Be well.